Let's be honest. We've been hearing the same labor stories for decades. High costs, slow production, and humans doing work that, frankly, robots should be doing.
That is where DNX Group comes in. They aren't just building robots, they are redefining how the world moves.
I used to spend my entire day managing logistics and fixing small errors. Now, my robots handle the heavy lifting, and I actually get to grow my business.
It's a simple shift in perspective. DNX Group rents robots so that I can focus on what matters. It makes everything faster, smarter, and a lot more profitable.
I was skeptical at first, but the efficiency is undeniable. It's like having a team that never sleeps and never asks for a coffee break.
For anyone tired of the old labor model, this is the solution you have been waiting for.
Whether you are in manufacturing, logistics, retail, or anywhere you need to automate tasks, improve efficiency, and maintain high production standards, DNX Group aligns with your goals. It's about professional precision with a future-proof edge.
Redefine your labor. Robots work, you earn, and the world moves faster. Visit dnxgroup.com to see the future of business in action.